you will really resonate with the readings. So first we will pick some messages from this deck and the talent. Okay, so I was just cutting the deck and this card was already flipped and it said time. Trying too hard, give things time. So maybe you are trying too hard to make things work, and give things time. You know, time is the best healer. Maybe this is not the right time for things to happen, and in maybe this is not the right time for things to fall in place, and in right time you will see okay, you will see positive changes in your life. Okay, I don't know why, but the cards are just falling all over the place right now. So this could be you emotionally feeling all over the place, and not new beginning. A new adventure waits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. Yes, right now follow your dreams. Follow your dreams, and playfulness is coming. Maybe you need to take things lightly. Maybe you need to get some adventure, go on an adventure trip. Life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow, you will be surprised where it leads. Okay, so just go with the flow and don't think too much, don't strategize. We have this thing that we want to strategize everything, and we get very negative things don't go our way. This is the time to pause and reflect. If things are not going your way, pause and reflect. Okay, surrender. At times we must surrender to the old before something new can enter our life. Let go, it will all work out. Let go of trying too hard in your love life. Let the universe take care of it. Don't strategize too much. What will happen, how it will happen, why it happened. Let the universe take care of it. Let there be closeness between you two, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. Maybe this is the time where you need to give other person space so that they can figure things out for themselves, and you can have a new beginning. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light. Create a room for new opportunities and possibility for your life. Sacred union. Honor and treasure your relationship. It's truly sacred. Yes, you have a sacred relationship and you must honor it. And don't get too negative. That's what I'll tell you. So now let's see what is it that your person wants to tell you. Channel messages from your person, and we will end the reading with this. Moderation and mindfulness. Yeah, maybe this is how they want you to be. They want you to take care of yourself with moderation and mindfulness. They don't want you to overburden yourself with something. I'm slowly and steadily coming towards you. Yes, it's taking time, and please be patient with me at the bottom of the deck. So yes, it's a slow movement. Yes, they're taking time, but they want you to be patient with them because they're healing. Okay, you heal me. Oh, I just spoke about healing. What are the odds? So they feel that you heal them, and yes, they're going through healing. The passion between us is intense. They are very passionate about you. There is a lot of love and passion and romance. Rest and recharge. I think this is a follow-up message for this, where they want you to take care of yourself, eat healthy, recharge. You also heal while they're healing. You also take care of yourself. Okay, let's take a trip together. They would want to take a trip with you, and I have started to understand this connection. And the bottom of the deck, our love is going through transformation. Okay, that's all that I have for you. I hope you loved this reading. Let me know in the comments below, and I would love to know if this reading helped you in any way. If you were not feeling loved, and now after this healing, I want to send you love and hugs. I hope you are feeling loved after this. I hope you know that you always loved no matter what. And take care of yourself. I will see you next reading. Bye.